We're going waterfall hopping because Hamilton is known as the waterfall capital of the world.
Whoa.
It is.
That's deep.
There are like over 100 waterfalls along the Hamilton Niagara Escarpment. We're gonna go check out a few within the region.
Sounds like a tour guide to me.
Yeah, it's a long week and it's a holiday. This place is packed. And we are here at the first waterfall, Albion Falls.
What the fuck? আমরা এখন Tiffany Falls এসেছি?
Tiffany Falls
no parking.
Sherman Falls. This is not Tiffany Falls?
What the fuck? এখানে Sherman Falls এ no parking zone এ রীতিমতো পার্কিং করে রেখে দিয়েছে।
Sherman Falls. This is apparently Sherman Falls. Yeah, it's still not quite spring. There are no leaves on the trees. It's kind of bare.
Let us move there.
Wait, that's gonna go in the video. This is a waterfall inside a waterfall. It's like waterfall inception. Okay, I think this is Tiffany Falls, right? Yeah. We're at Tiffany Falls. Hey. This one's called Tiffany Falls, and of course there's, as you can see, a ton of people here again, everywhere we go. Hungry from jumping around from waterfall to waterfall. Here we are, Wendy's. Fucking hell, look at that.
খাওয়া দাওয়া শেষ, এখন off to the next waterfall. Unsocial muna করছি। What the fuck? What the fuck? Is amazing.
You tell them.
Dundas Peak is freaking amazing.
That's where we need to be.
That place has like a fall.
But we're gonna see this guy here, Two's Falls. Why does it say Webster's? This is not Webster's Falls. This is Two's Falls.